Video of us going up the Kaobal Gali, or the Kaobal Pass as it's called. Now, many people haven't even heard of this pass. In fact, I also heard about it a couple of years back. Even I wasn't aware of this pass. But it's a very strategic pass as it connects Gurez in Kashmir with Dras in Ladakh. You know, the alternative to this pass is just behind this mountains lies Sonamarg, and of course we all know Zojila. So usually people used to take Zojila, because this pass, as you can see, the road is not very good. But of course the main reason why people are not allowed here is because of the strategic importance of this road. Just because of the areas which it connects. Because both Gurez and Dras are highly sensitive areas where, you know, infiltration has taken place earlier. And in fact the road from Gurez, once it descends into on the Dras side, it goes through the Mashko Valley, which saw a lot of fighting during the Kargil war. But there is a proposal to open this road for tourists this year. But anyway, that's up to the security forces whether they open it or not. But we were lucky enough to get permission to go to this pass, and in spite of it having rained the night before, when we thought the chances of us being let on this pass would be pretty slim, but somehow we still managed. We didn't manage, but of course it was a sunny day the next day, so that made it possible for us to go up the pass. Of course, we've cut out all the military parts in this, so we're just showing you. We are going up the pass to the peak of the pass, where lies a water body which is called Draupadi Kund, but its classical name is the Kaobal Sar. And the mountain you see, the mountain, the Kaobal peak is on the right hand side, which you can't see right now, and it is home to a massive glacier, which you get to see once you get there. And the road is pretty rough. This is like one of the smoother, less inclined parts of the road. You can imagine what this is the good part of the road, I would say. Of course, it is an adventure coming here, and as you can make out, there is nobody here except for the army, whose installations you cannot see here for obvious reasons. And just beyond those mountains, just behind the big mountain, the peaks which come on behind are all in Ladakh. Actually, we wanted to travel all the way to Dras, but apparently there was a landslide on the other side, so they didn't let us go to Ladakh. Anyway, we were happy to just get here, and we see this mountain wilderness, which few people have ever seen. And there you can see the green Draupadi Kund. Hopefully the road will open one day, and we will one day go to Dras from here. Thank you.